Ideal for construction sites, ranches, farms, emergency repairs, and mobile welding applications, Tomahawk Welder Generators deliver reliable welding performance and portable power wherever the job takes you. Begin by carefully opening the box and verifying that all included parts and accessories are included. Before starting the generator for the first time, remove the maintenance cover and unscrew the oil cap to access the dipstick. If the unit is new, add SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil until it reaches the upper limit, then reinstall the oil cap securely. To enable the electric start system, remove the screws securing the maintenance cover. Next, connect the battery wire and then reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the screws securely. Remove the fuel cap and fill the tank with fresh, unleaded gasoline, 86 octane or higher. Once the tank is filled, securely tighten the fuel cap and you're ready to go. This generator also gives you the option to run on propane for added fuel flexibility. To connect a propane tank, place the generator on a level surface in a well-ventilated area. First, connect the propane hose to the generator's LPG inlet and tighten it securely. Next, attach the other end of the hose to the propane tank and ensure the connection is snug. Once everything is connected, slowly open the propane tank valve to allow fuel to flow to the generator. For standard gasoline operation, turn the fuel selector switch to the gasoline position. For propane operation, turn the selector to the LPG position. Turn the main engine switch to the on position and turn the fuel valve on. For recoil starting, slowly pull the recoil handle until resistance is felt, then pull briskly. For electric start, press and hold the start button for 1 to 3 seconds until the engine starts. For remote start, press and hold the on button on the remote key fob for approximately 1 second. Once running smoothly, the Tomahawk Welder Generator is ready to rock and roll. For portable power, simply plug your tools or equipment into an outlet and get to work. To begin welding, connect the welding leads securely to the terminals. Turn the welding mode switch to the on position. Use the amperage regulator to adjust welding output according to rod size and material thickness. For safe operation, always wear proper welding protection including gloves, welding masks, flame-resistant clothing, and eye protection. Once you're finished, disconnect all leads and tools before shutting down the generator. To turn the unit off, simply press the stop button, use the remote stop feature, or switch the engine to the off position. Before storing or transporting the generator, don't forget to turn the fuel valve to off. Built for reliable welding and portable power, Tomahawk Welder Generators are ready to go wherever the job takes you. And for more tips, tutorials, and equipment demos, click subscribe today.